Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we'll be talking about some of the best Discord servers that you guys can join that pertain to dropshipping, e-commerce, or running your online store from scratch in 2024. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So as you guys can see here, I currently have my Discord server open, and I'm just using a dummy one for this video, but I'd like to use this tool called discord.org, which is basically a collective database or archive for public Discord servers that you guys can join. So each of these servers focus on a specific type of niche. So in this case, we'll be looking for servers that have to do with dropshipping, so we can learn everything we can, expand our market, and possibly engage with a bigger community and get our name out there. So the idea here is once you go to discord.org, you guys would want to click on the search bar right here, because the idea is we're going to subcategorize our tags accordingly based on our interests. So I'm going to click on search and type down dropshipping, for example, or we can even type something like Shopify or whatever. So here we are. So dropshipping, we're going to select the correct tag for this. And you'll see that you'll be redirected to a page that's going to list all of the servers or Discord servers that have to do with dropshipping. So here you can learn all about running your business, trading, networking, and entrepreneurship and whatnot. And the cool thing is you can actually categorize this by member count. So if you want a bigger community, here's one way to do it. There's a server called Ecom Warriors, where if you read the description, it goes, we offer a wide range of free resources and services to help you succeed, including free private supplier to boost your dropshipping stores, business and marketing strategies, advice from successful store owners, paid services and courses, e-commerce tutorials, and so on and so forth. So everything you guys need to know about dropshipping. So that's pretty cool. We've categorized this as a tag for dropshipping. And what you guys need to do from here is click on join server. And what's going to happen here is this is going to redirect you to their invite link page where you get to join the server. So if you guys want to narrow it down to something like a different language, you could do so too. I'm obviously going to offer English, so I'm simply going to click in English, and here are the choices where everyone's using English as their language or means of communication. So here we are. Once again, it's Ecom Warriors. Okay, so it looks like the invite for this has expired. Let's try again. Maybe the server's dead. Okay, so it looks like this server may be dead, or it requires a proper invite link sent by someone else or a referral to actually join. So let's offer the next best one, which is Mavenport, which is pretty much the same deal. So I'm going to click on join the server, and you'll be redirected to their Discord server. So here we are. So from here, you just accept invites, and you can see that there are 33,000 members online on this server. So accept invites, and you'll be redirected to your Discord, where you get to join the server and start engaging with the community. So yeah, that's the video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.